Oh,
Yeah,
oh, that was good.
It's doing.
Wait, I'm sorry, I need to... Oh, thank God.
Just remove it. Yeah. Okay, what next?
Chill. Oh, God.
Can this...
Wait, no, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Can you even see? Wow. Look at that, guys. That's really our most awesome hacking.
Wow.
What now?
Click wheel. Use a heat gun. Oh, wait.
Oh, now comes the heating pro. Oh, fuck.
Wait.
What? Use a low heat setting not to hold the heat gun in place for too long to avoid melting the plastic. Oh, nice.
What are we supposed to do with
this part here, this plastic. Oh, fucking life. This. Go away, fucking glue. You're really.
The other plastic on the other way.
This glue is so annoying.
Here.
Yeah, this plastic now. We need to melt it a little bit. So we need a fern.
So that it moves. Yeah, a fern.
Can you? Okay, we see you. We see you.
When
this
is done.
A little update from the bathroom.
Just really did some.
We are trying to melt this thing there. We're not crazy. This is really how you do it.
Plastic, yeah.
If it doesn't do anything, just don't push it.
Wait, it's doing.
It's doing something. Oh, be careful with the cable.
Shit,
Jesus Christ.
Shit.
No, you better. Oh my God. Oh my, no. Stop. Oh, the camera. Stop. Okay, you can.
Oh my God.
Oh, jeez. Wait. Can I? Yes.
It's doing. But how does it go out? Does it just pop out?
Like the other. No. Just you need to push the other way. It just doesn't work like that.
Yeah, I know.
Try to go it from
there.
Yeah, but fucking. Oh God.
This knife is too long.
Don't hurt yourself.
My God, I hate these noises.
Should we heat it more?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should heat it more. Okay, let's heat it up.
When did you ever do this with a technical device? Never, probably. Okay.
Do you see that?
There it's coming. Wait, yeah, it sounds really bad.
Oh no!
No, because of your stupid joke.
Wait, I'm still in there.
But yeah.
Oh fuck!
Ah!
Oh, almost ripped it there.
Shit.
Oh shit!
You cut yourself.
No, it's okay. Oh,
Wow, it sounds.
oh that hurt. Oh,
Did you really cut yourself?
No. Okay.
Holy shit!
The cable didn't broke at least.
Oh.
Oh wow. I'm sweating, you know.
You see, repairing an iPod is dangerous for yourself.
If you use a fucking knife.
Yeah, but what else? If they give
Espresso.
If they give you.
I'm shaking too much now.
Okay, just calm down.
Look at it.
Yeah, I see it.
Why can I go? Oh, why can't I go in there now? Wait, no, win. Yep, win.
Good.
Because now I'm on the right side, and that's okay. It's good. Yep, we did it.
Yes. It's off.
Oh, thank God.
Thanks, man. That was effort.
Okay. So now we're trying. I'm gonna show you guys. Next, don't touch the screen though. Do you see how I'm shaking? It's not even funny anymore. The next step here is to those. Well, why did the? Come on, don't turn off. You need to do these 3 screws. You need to take them off. That's should be one of the easiest parts here.
Okay, that's not so bad. No.
Wait, is it in focus?
They're different sizes though.
Yeah. I already cut myself. So I didn't really, but almost.
Yeah, but it was close.
Oh no.
We got this live on camera.
It's the perfect screwdriver for. Oh, I can't even get it. There it is.
Okay, I need to zoom out a bit. Alright. Shit, our battery on the camera is dead.
Okay, we're gonna change the camera for a minute.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, wait. Okay,
got some knives, man.
Let's rip this apart.
Yeah, let's see.
So now I need you again.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in with the knife.
You think it works with this?
It bent actually.
Yeah, this was bent before.
See?
And now...
There, on this side it's... And now you need to go in there.
You need just a tiny bit more space.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, and
yeah.
be very.
Okay, I mean yes. And now?
Now you need to get it off.
Wait, are you? Okay.
Oh God, this is even worse.
Yes, this is working.
But where's the connector? That's the question.
There where you are right now.
Okay, then let's
Be
do.
really careful there.
No.
Can you see it? You might can see it. This damn glue, seriously. Yep, it's coming. Whoa!
No! Oh God. Oh.
Hopefully it don't cut the...
Something ripped. And it's the connector! Yes! Did it. Almost though.
Okay, how does this go out with this spatula? Not with the knife.
No!
No!
Don't you dare!
Okay, okay.
Can I turn it with? Oh God.
Is it really, really tiny or is it... Yeah.
Whoa! Oh God. Hey, there's
Whoa.
Apple. Of course, a fucking Apple logo on the fucking.
So how does this go out?
Did it break? No.
No,
I
it's
tried it off.
it. But look at this tiny connector. Just
Give it to
look at it. Holy shit! You can
No,
even see it.
Oh goodness.
Wow.
Okay. Actually, it's going better than I thought.
Okay, now.
And don't be scared. We're soon gonna go back to the normal camcorder.
All right, we have this click wheel. That's good.
Let's go. Oh no.
Logic board assembly. Oh.
Heating. Hi.
Pry the camera microphone cover off of the case. So after 15 minutes of just scratching this iPod up here, we are still no step further. Because this one plate, this here, this little shitty thing here, this doesn't want to go.
Another scratch.
This has like by now 1,000 scratches on the back, but we really don't care.
No.
Doesn't move. So, our great iPod repair is over. And David is really frustrated.
Get out, you mother trucker! This fucking little cable broke off.
Wait, let me show them. This one. This is really a piece of shit. Look at this. Because of this, we are screwed.
Actually, you turn it on the click wheel.
Yes, you do.
I have no idea. What does this shit do?
But this guy did this here, this thingy. This broke off.
But what does it
But
do?
what does
Is
it
it
do?
vital for the thing?
I mean, we could try.
We could try to question is a broken cable when there goes energy through it. What happens?
Nothing.
Nothing with the device.
I mean, what? How many volts does this have?
Nothing.
Like, how many millivolts?
This fucking thing, it went off so nicely.
Yeah, the
but
click
this
wheel.
fucking piece of shit.
Yeah.
Come out there, you motherfucker.
This is really bad.
Gonna
Really,
scratch you till you die.
really, really bad.
I was in there for a moment.
No, seriously?
I was in there for a moment.
I mean, now it doesn't matter anymore. You can just screw it.
Why? Maybe it's still
You can,
working.
yeah, you can mess with it.
I mean, this thing is scratched, so it doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
as I say, it doesn't matter anymore.
Well, now it's scratched with that.
We, you know what's the best thing, guys? This iPod is not even ours.
But we can't screw with it, so.
Yeah, but
Just
just a
nobody-
fun fact.
Just scared of the display, you know.
Man.
We should put something under the display, honestly.
Yeah, this is a
maybe
good
it
idea.
works. We will try anyway.
Yeah,
maybe. But
we'll try.
Fuck it. Oh wow. Oops.
Just slam it on the desk.
Fuck this.
So the thing we ripped out was the hold switch, and it is not important for it to work, but it's gonna bitch around. So we decided we still at least want the battery to get an upgrade.
Now I'm gonna heat this sucker up. Come.
Okay.
Where's the microwave now, Joe?
Yeah, here we are. Damn. Is it not hot enough?
It's hot as fuck.
Okay. You know, there's just a battery in there which can explode, but whatever.
There's also a whole switch we can break.
Yeah, we already did that.
So we can make this explode.
But the most important thing was when we noticed, no, the funniest thing, when we noticed that this was broken, it was just laying there, so we don't know how the hell that happened actually. And I stabbed myself in there, as you can see.
Yeah, I did that too.
And he did it too, yeah. So, yeah, if anyone asks me, hey, have you been in a fight? No, I've repaired an iPod Nano.
Yes. Welcome, guys. Look at this beautiful iPod. Where do we have our fucking problems?
No idea where.
Can't you fucking see it? It doesn't even look that bad in the camera.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You really want to try it with this?
Oh fuck, we're gonna make it now.
Because
You try.
I'll try. Yes, this is dangerous.
Dangerous. Did it just...
Oh, secure, yes.
Wait, this is actually... God!
How many scratches? How many scratches did we put?
Right across the camera.
Whatever.
Johnny, I would cry now.
He already does.
Try there, because there's a little gap already. Fight! You fucking iPod! Lift! God damn it!
I tell
You do as we...
Transplanting someone's brain is easier than this.
Maybe. Oh god.
This is horrible. This is horrible. Sector knife works not.
Like this goddamn video for what I'm doing here! Jesus, I'm pissed off.
I can.
This fucking device. And from now on, I'm never gonna buy a fucking iPod.
They're discontinuing them anyway.
Yeah, because of that shit.
Because of this.
Because all fucking Apple employees stand there with a fucking knife, scratching this shit up. And Tim's like, yes, it's working. It's the awesome design that does that. Awesome design, my ass. I'm done
Holy
with this shit. Oh god, this is annoying. Look, what? You know what pisses me more off? Look at this guy.
This guy, yeah, he does
This
it
guy.
just in 2 seconds.
And hear the music. Hear the music. Look. Look at that. He fails.
What? How?
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 How in the name of... Did you do something? Did you do magic? I don't know. You know what we decided? Fuck this. We're gonna just ignore that fucking step because this fucking bullshit made by fucking Johnny Ive is fucking bullshit.
It is.
Or everything
Let's just.
is extremely difficult if not impossible. Ha 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 ha. Oh, now it can combust. So now we're at the part where the battery could explode. Oh yes, that's... Sure.
Yeah.
Everywhere. There and now this.
Yep.
From the top of the iPod is adhesive that holds the battery.
No one can see that.
We need to get the glue off the battery. We need to touch it.
Oh, but it can combust. No, what? No, seriously, what do we have to do?
Really? We have to go onto the battery.
Oh, great. Let's do it. Why not?
Of course, but that works so easily. Fuck you.
No, did it work?
It worked.
If that step with this thing there, with this plate, was not necessary, I'm gonna flip shit.
You're not the only one.
So murdering the iPod there.
Okay, there we go. I mean, it's dead. It's surely dead now.
Yeah, it's for sure.
Because it all when I'm going in, it's like, and I'm okay.
That's always good when he does that.
There's a small wet retainer between the camera and the mic.
Screw it. Just to rip it out.
Once the retainer has been pushed, there's a hole. What? Once the retainer has been pushed past its hole in the outer case, the spatula used to depress its not. What? Do not push on the battery.
This always makes us so really...
Using gently but steady force to push on the top of the LCD to slide the logic board assembly out of the bottom of the what?
You push on it and then you slide it out. Is it just
Oh, you... Oh, is this used that?
Totally.
This holds it in place.
No, seriously.
This fucking thing holds it in
little...
place.
Because of this, we can't...
This fucking piece.
This 1
Yes.
millimeter thick piece of shit. No.
Why?
What now?
How the fuck do we get that off?
Never.
We need to.
It's made out of titanium. Totally gonna help.
I'm telling you, if I'm not done with this today, I'm gonna throw it out of the window and then that's it.
And you were gonna see it.
Yes.
Yep.
I mean, it's done already. Look at that.
Wait. Yep.
Then the front it looks nice.
The front,
there,
yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah. I mean, if it would work, no one will care.
If.
Okay. He just stepped the fucking battery! You know what happens when you step a lithium battery? No.
I'm so scared right now.
I mean, it wasn't so bad, but he stepped it.
But I think it didn't break.
No, it didn't break. It's just a little tiny... Like, just that you touched it. Oh.
It's
Man, this is gonna explode before this thing comes off. Seriously.
It's unbelievable because of this fucking thing. Not because of the gluing or whatever.
Or
but
the
this
soldering.
thing.
No, it's because of this. Oh my god. This is always...
Okay, now I punched it again. Okay, now I'm done with this shit. I'm done. We get... Fuck off. You can do
this. Seriously, guys. If you don't give us a like here, if you don't give us a like for what we are doing here for 1.5 hours, risking our lives.
Look at that. I don't know if you see it. Give me the camera.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that. No.
It's a little punched. It's just ungood.
It's ungood again.
The word comes again.
There you can see it. It's on 2 sides now punched. I am scared of doing it again.
I can totally understand.
Do you see that? Oh goodness.
Because they wrote it.
I mean, you can say we could do a second part, but why? Because this thing is dead probably right now.
But maybe this will have a return.
With
For
what?
now-
With another iPod?
For now, let's screw it. And when we have time again, or we care about it, then we'll make a second part.
But do me a favor, guys. If you don't like this fucking video, I'm gonna throw that iPod at your face and it's gonna combust in the worst way with a fucking atomic cloud in the shape of Johnny Ive's face.
Totally.
So give this fucking video a fucking like, and you know what? This guy here, fuck you. Really,
Alright,
really.
thanks for watching though, you probably
Yeah,
laughed
thank you
your
very
asses off. It started off so good!
I tell you what, if one single fuck writes, "Oh, you've screwed up, you could do that way better," I'm gonna come here and stab you with that fucking knife. See you later.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bitch. Guys,
He's here.
I tried it. Wait.
He tried it one more time.
I tried it one more time, and I stabbed it. The camera, I stabbed
it in the middle of the freaking battery.
So now we don't know, will it combust in a minute? What? That's not good, just don't make it. There you go. Wow, you can see pretty good. Look at that step battery.
Yeah,
though.
he stabbed freaking in the freaking battery.
So yeah guys, give it a like or otherwise this iPod is gonna explode in your computer. See you later.